Good morning and welcome back. Today is Thursday, May 28th, 2020. So yesterday we said we were going to talk a little bit about the fractions that are represented by each of these shapes. We've spent a lot of time talking about the number that's colored in, how many square units there are in each shape that are shaded in, and the pattern. So today we're going to spend some time and talk about the fraction. So let's reveal today's shape or fraction or area. So we still have that irregular octagon that is 24 square units. This time 8 square units have been colored in. So let's spend a few minutes to talk about the amount or the fraction that has been colored in for each one of these. So I'm going to get my pen tool back out. And I'm just going to erase some of this. I'm going to erase this one here. I'm going to erase this one, and I'm going to erase this one. So let's talk about the fraction of the shape that is colored in on each of these. So we know that half is colored in on this one, or the other way we could say it is 12 out of 24. Out of 24 have been colored in. So that's the same as half. On this one, we know one whole shape has been colored in, or 24 out of 24 have been colored in. This one, we know that it's 4 out of 24. But we can break that fraction down into a simpler form by saying how many times can 4 go into 24. And so I know that 4 times 6 is 24. So that means this fraction can be broken down into 1/6. So this is 1/6. And I'm going to show you why it's 1/6 by coloring in 6 sections. So if I have, if I go and do another 4x4 section, there's a 4x4 section, there's a 4x4 section, here's a let me erase that one. Here's a 4x4 section, kind of. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total sections that have been colored in. And I know that's hard to see, so let me see if I can try to make it a little bit clearer. So here is a 4x4 section. And here is a 4x4 section. And here is a 4x4 section. If I then take, I gotta do that little line. If I then take another color, I can show you that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, and I'll get another color and show that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So that means if I get my last color, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections that are colored in, or that could be considered a section. So this is 1 out of 6 parts colored in. So this one has 20 out of 24 sections. And so actually, if we were to do the same thing to this one, we would see that it was 5/6 colored in. Now the fraction changes on today's marker, because now we wouldn't have a full 6 because we have only this little section of 2 right here. So the fraction for this one changes to 1/3 because we have 8 out of 24 colored in. So that means it would be a 1/3 because 8 can go to 24 3 times. So it's 1/3 of the color is colored in.